look at Bong Alvarez. One of the new faces, and checking out the stats ba, maaga pa eh, nagtitingin na si
Meneses. Bibigyan siya ng foul ni Bong Alvarez. They are in the penalty, so mangangahulugan po ng dalawang free throw para kay Vergel Meneses. Narito si Doremdes, challenge ni Bong Alvarez, baksak si Doremdes, pero may kasamang foul. Wala kay Mr. Excitement.
Well, magandang duelo sa ere ng dalawang
really rode high and leaned on the heroics of Bong Alvarez in the third period. In fact,
uy, nagawa ni Bong Alvarez, laban kay Gayoso, and there's gonna be a blocking foul. It's a play na to. What a move. Watch this steal first. Una agaw, and then talagang si Alvarez nagpapakamatay.
May planong pumunta dyan sa may Quiapo. Baka magdasal na lang muna sa bahay. Maiintindihan naman tayo ng Nazareno. Samantala, dumaan sa depensa si Paul Alvarez, dinaanan si Marlo Aquino, and a 3-point play opportunity.
Jerome Lane sees Bong Alvarez a bit long, and Kumaren bounces it off. Rather, Alvarez bounces it off Kumaren, but Alvarez hit the well, he hit the back support.
Yeah,
because he couldn't break his fall on time behind the shell uprising. Look at this move.
that was a real hard ball.
And look at him grimacing.
Remember that Alvarez has only played Bong Alvarez had to suffer that accident.
He also has played the entire third period so far.
Here with Bong Alvarez, and Bong, ano nangyari?
Bale, na-sprain lang ako, sir. Na-sprain lang, kaya lang tumama lang dun sa dun sa ilalim. Kaya medyo napalakas eh.
Ano, I don't think he can play the rest of this game.
I don't think so. Not tonight.
It's just sprain, Doc. Nothing more serious than that, no?
Yes. It doesn't look that bad, but definitely he can't do it tonight.
Sayang heka, he was playing so well.
Yes. Well, tough luck.
Okay, Bong Alvarez is out of this game after putting on a spectacular show up till then. But we hope that his teammates can continue and carry on the fight.
Nakuha ni Alvarez, hinamon ni Relubit. May foul si Zaldi Relubit, not giving up cheap baskets here.
Hesitant yung kanilang pagdepensa. Unlike kanina, halos nanonood sila sa mga taga San Miguel Beer sa magandang ginagawa ni Asay Tono at Alan Kedic. Ngayon,
Sabi nga nila, pagka gusto ng Alaska, walang tatalo sa team na yan. Oy, travel. Pumunta tayo, coach, doon sa play na yun at babalikan natin yung Alaska mamaya. Sinubukan ni Alvarez yung palopong tira. Ang problema, ayan, no?
Yung finger roll niya.
Nabigla yata siya, nandun yung kamay ng konti ni EJ File at naghahaman yung kanyang tira. Going back to
Alang nakakuha kaya siya nag-traveling.
Yes, babalikan ngayon natin itong Hinebra, pumihit si EJ File at naidikdik na yun. Nakita mo, hindi na halos tumalon. Pag-angat na yung bola, nandun na sa ring. O kung merong konting lundag yun, hindi na
konti na lang sana na lower body strength. O yun, konting lift na lang at wala na talaga, unstoppable na siya sa lift.
Alan Kedic, binigay kay Bong Alvarez. Lumipad si Bong Alvarez.
offensive foul. Oh, kitang-kita yung kanyang kaliwang baraso. Extending the left arm para protektahan yung kanyang sarili. At kita mo naman.
Shot clock, umatake si Alvarez. At offensive foul ang tinatawag. Offensive foul on Paul Alvarez. Sabi ng referee. And what a break. At nabuhay yung buong Cuneta. Panonorin natin sa ating screen. Umatake si Alvarez. Hinawi natin.
Ito, this is a key call. Ano, yun, makita natin yun. Maaring masabi natin na medyo may hawi ng konti.
Ito, sa isang angle.
Different angle.
Hindi makikita, nakatakip yun. Pero nakikita nyo yung kamay niya, nakatukod doon. So parang ginamit niya si Noli Locsin para ma-propel yung paglipad niya, no?
Pero from his side, ang sinasabi niya, it was just a natural movement. Hindi, wala siyang intention na manghawi. But again, ang magdidesisyon dyan, actually, talagang wala tayong magagawa pag tinawag ng referee yan.
Third place plum ay makukuha ng San Miguel Beer, and the awarding, mga kaibigan, itutuloy na natin para sa koponan.
Alvarez picks up his own miss. Muntik naman pumasok yan, and there's gonna be a loose ball foul laban kay Wilmerong.
And Alvarez was in mid-air, bumagsak siya. Medyo...
Alam ko kung saan nanggagaling ito si Mr. Excitement, but he's certainly pumped up for this game. You know, so take a look at the Skywalker, Samboy Lim. Well, matagal-tagal nang hindi nakikita nitong Cuneta Astrodome crowd.
Here's Agustin.
Bong Alvarez putting the check on him, and that's going to be the second personal foul on Bong Alvarez. No penalty shot since Bong Alvarez 3 steps ahead. Paul Alvarez now getting in the groove as he cut
Puhunan na ng Ginebra. Eto si Alvarez for that slam. At what a way to finish.
rebound off to Bong Alvarez now from Ronnie Manzano. What a shot, Bong Alvarez.
He creates so much excitement when he goes up for the hoop. It's like he's walking in air.
Alvarez has 12 points.
May trophy din yung third place eh.
Meron. Oy, nako, Alvarez na naman.
Yun ang pan-trophyng kilos. Nakita mo naman yun.
Nagpapalitan si Alvarez saka si Asay Tono dito sa offense ng Ginebra San.
At nandito si Pumarin, binigay kay Alvarez. Alvarez lumipad! Ginamit ang banda! Ang sarap sumama.
His average about only 4 minutes. Hindi naman ganun yung value ng tira. Look at Alvarez. Nagpalitan na naman ng kamay.
Nalusitan niya si Sean Green that time.
Naging paborito si Green na pagpalitan ng kamay ng bola natin in penalty. Ito yan. Sa 103 play natin. Sige nga.
Alam mo si Bong Alvarez, actually nakikita ko sa practice na ginagawa niya yan. Talagang ini-ensayo niya yung tira.
Sa main game, malalaman niyo na kung sinong unang dadampot, ano?
Oo.
Shell ba?
O San Miguel.
O San Miguel.
Bunutan yan mamaya.
Bangga ang katakot-takot dito. Over Sean Green ang tira ni Bong Alvarez. At kita mo yung ngiti niya. Made by Alvarez. Blocking foul naman si Bongdo. Naunahan siya ni Boyet Francisco, ni Noynoy Falcasantos. And that's the second team foul for...
Now against Ontiveros. Gives it to Alvarez. Gets away. Takes a three-point shot. Good line. Yes. And the lead is down to 1. That is a three-point shot. And as he said, anytime Alvarez can explode.
Against Polistico, palibag na yun si Noli Locsin at nagulat ako doon dahil alam ko malakas yung katawan ng Locsin. Yung Alvarez pala, mas malakas ang katawan. Sidestep, kaliwain. Dapat naman ginamit na yung kanan. Potential foul trouble dito. De Hoya, meron silang rule na pag may blood, tigil ang laro at papahiran o isisil yung sugat na yan dahil takot sila doon sa HIV.
Takot sila kay Magic.
Yun ang nga ho yun. Yun ang Magic Johnson rule.
So basta, ewan ko lang, I don't think it's being applied here, ano? Pero